When you receive our SwingFrame Swing Open Changeable Frame and Display System, place it on the wall where you would like to mount it. Create a pencil mark or add wall tape to the top edge of the swing frame. On the back of the swing frame, measure the distance from the top of the frame to the bottom of the mounting wood Z-bar. You'll need this measurement for positioning the Z-bar on the wall. Go back to the wall, start measuring down from the pencil mark as a starting point and place the previous wood Z-bar measured distance and mark with a pencil. Take the Z-bar off the back of the swing frame. Position the bottom of the Z-bar on the second pencil line. The angle side faces the wall. Mark the wall with screws or other tool through the two pre-drilled Z-bar holes. Drill holes over the screw marks. For drywall, add wall anchors. Insert screws and tighten to secure onto the wall. Position the swing frame over the Z-bar. This will lock the two parts together. The swing frame may have some extra space to slide from left to right. Once it's on the wall, open the front frame. You'll notice a metal mounting bracket on the bottom of the frame. If you're using wall anchors, with a pencil, mark the wall through the holes in the bracket. Insert screws into the bracket to lock and secure the swing frame onto the wall. Your swing frame is now secure.